Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English online class. So, students, as we have already discussed three of the topics from your chapter Determiners, which is the first chapter of your grammar part, right? So, before starting with the further part, let's just quickly revise. Let's just revise the previous part, right? So, what all we have seen in the previous part? Let's quickly go through it. First of all, we have seen the meaning of determiners, that what are actually determiners, what they are, right? So we have seen that these are the words which determine or specify, right? These are the words which clarify nouns. Okay, they clarify noun, right? About it, right? Next, we have seen their kinds, right? Kinds included articles, right? A and the, right? A and the, right? Next was, first of all, we have included articles. Next was possessives, right? The ones which tell us about belongingness, right? Ownership. Next, we have seen demonstratives. Okay, this, that, these, those, right? Demonstratives. These are used to just point out or demonstrate something, right? किसी को इशारा करते हैं आप when you are pointing out at something. Okay, so demonstratives. Next, we have seen quantifiers. Now, quantifiers means, in other words, we can say determiners of quantity, right? Quantifiers. Okay, so they told us they are basically used to tell us the quantity, right? Okay, next we have seen distributives. Okay, and quantifiers, let me tell you again, quantifiers included your cardinal and ordinal numbers, if you remember, right? Cardinal are your normal numbers, right? That specify quantity, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and ordinal were the sequence or order, as the word suggests, ordinal. So order, right? Like first, second, third, like you have ranks, now fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, so cardinal and ordinal were included in this part. Okay, now next was distributives. In other words, we can say the determiners of distribution. Okay, they refer when they refer to the things when we are talking about them in a group or individually, right? Like each, either, and either, right? So next were interrogatives. Now interrogatives were again determiners of interrogation, right? When these were used to ask what questions. Okay, got it, students? So these were the main kinds that we had discussed in our previous video lesson, right? Now the next topic is their order or their position in the sequence of determiners, or their order in a noun phrase, right? So their order, जो उनका order होगा, what would be that order? That is what we are going to discuss in our today's lesson. Okay, so we have seen the meaning, we have seen the kinds. Now we are going to discuss their order. Okay, basically in order you will see predeterminer, central determiners, and post determiners. As the word suggests, pre means at first, pehle. Okay, central in the mid, and post means after. So this will be the sequence. Okay, and actually what they are, that I am going to tell you through a PPT. Okay, so watch it carefully, students, and relate the examples. Okay, relate all the examples, okay, with the definitions and the explanation that I'll give you in the PPT. Okay, so watch it carefully. So quickly, let's get into the video.
So, students, let us know about predeterminers, central determiners, and post determiners, what they actually are, right? So, first of all, you all should know that in a sentence we can use number of determiners before a noun, right? So, it's not like we'll use only one determiner, two or three, right? We can use number of, right? More than one. Okay, let's take an example for that. We gave presents to all our teachers on Teachers' Day. Now, just see in this sentence, we have used all and are. Okay, so these two are determiners. Okay, so we have used more than one determiner. Okay, so we can use more than one determiners in a sentence. Now, the main thing is we can divide determiners into three categories based on the order in which they occur in a phrase. Okay, so we can basically divide, हम divide कर सकते हैं determiners को three categories में on the basis of their order. Order means sequence. Okay, जिस sequence में वो किसी phrase के अंदर आएंगे, right? So we can divide determiners in थ्री कैटेगरीज अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ऑर्डर, कि जिस सीक्वेंस में वो किसी भी सेंटेंस में अपीयर करेंगे उस ऑर्डर के हिसाब से वी कैन डिवाइड डिटर्मिनर्स इनटू 3 कैटेगरीज. विच आर द 3 कैटेगरीज? Predeterminers, central determiners, and post determiners. So as you can get the idea from the words itself, predeterminers. Pre means pehle, okay? Central in the mid, post means बाद में. Okay, so predeterminers, obviously उनका order क्या होगा? What would be their order? Order of these 3 predeterminers will appear first, and then central determiners, and then post determiners. Okay, ये इनका order रहेगा किसी भी sentence में. And it's not necessary कि all of the 3 appear in a sentence. Any 2, any 1 or all the 3 can appear, but जो order है उनका वो क्या रहेगा? First of all, predeterminer will come, then central, and then post determiner will come. Okay, this would be their order in which they will come in a phrase. Okay, and one more thing, students, any of these 3 types can appear independently. Okay, independent means apne aap, akela, right? Any of these 3 can appear alone also. It's not necessary कि all the 3 will appear together या all the other 2 will appear together. No, एक अकेले भी appear हो सकता है, एक अकेला determiner भी आ सकता है, right? Okay, so it's not necessary that all of these will come together, but whenever they'll come in this order. First of all, pre, then central, and then post determiner. Okay, now let's talk about predeterminers. What do we mean by predeterminers? Okay, students, listen carefully. When we wish to specify quantity in a noun, we use predeterminers before them. Now, whenever we wish to specify quantity, अगर हमें quantity बतानी है किसी भी noun में, right? So what do we use? Which determiner? Predeterminers before nouns, right? And predeterminers include, okay, what all do they include? Expressions that multiply quantity, including expressions that end in the word times, like once, twice, 10 times. Okay, so we include, these predeterminers, they include the expressions that multiply quantity. Okay, multiply means it's like once, twice. What do you mean by twice? 2 times, right? Thrice, 3 times. Okay, so when quantity is being multiplied, then we use these terms like once, twice, 10 times, 3 times, 4 times. Okay, these are all predeterminers, right? Just see the second one, words that stand for fractions. Okay, जो भी words होते हैं जो stand करते हैं fractions के लिए, like half, 1/3, 3/4, 1/4. You all know fractions, you all must have studied in your maths, right? Okay, so the words that stand for fractions, they also come under this category. Okay, वो भी predeterminers में ही आते हैं. So first वाला कौन सा हो गया? The expressions that multiply quantity, like twice, thrice, 2 times, 3 times. Okay, next क्या हो गया? The words that specify or that include fractions, half, 1/4, 3/4. Let's take an example. Manish finished off half the ice cream. Half here is what? It's predeterminer. Okay, it's predeterminer, right? Okay, just see the third point, the words all and both. The words all and both. Okay, these two also come in this category of predeterminer. Like let's just take an example. I put all my books in the cupboard, right? I put all my books. So all is here what? All is predeterminer, right? Okay, so these 3 are the points that you need to remember in predeterminer, right? जब भी आप predeterminer की बात करोगे, you should know these 3 points. Let's just quickly revise. First one, expressions that multiply quantity, like once, twice, thrice, 10 times, 2 times. Okay, second one, words that stand for fractions. Okay, जो fractions बताते हैं, half, 3/4, 1/4. Okay, these are included in predeterminers. Next one, the words all and both, they also come in this category of predeterminer, right? Okay, we can normally use only one predeterminer before a noun. Okay, so you all should know that before a noun आप सिर्फ एक ही predeterminer use कर सकते हो. ये नहीं कि आप तीनों कैटेगरी के तीनों डिटर्मिनर्स को यूज़ कर रहे हो नाउन से पहले. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. You can use only one predeterminer before a noun. Okay, so let's take an example. We cannot say, like ऐसे नहीं कह सकते हो आप, he bought the book for all 3 times its cost. No. He bought the books for 3 times its cost. 3 times its cost means 3 times. मतलब 3 times ज़्यादा costly book लेके आए वो. Okay, so you cannot use all and 3. All and 3 दोनों क्या हैं? All and 3 both of them are predeterminers. So you cannot use, आप दोनों predeterminers को noun से पहले use नहीं कर सकते हो. सिर्फ एक ही predeterminer को use कर सकते हो according to its meaning, right? In the same way, see the next example. Did you read half both the books? No. You cannot say half and both. Both of these are predeterminers. Okay, half fraction both with the third rule. Okay, दोनों predeterminers हैं. But आप दोनों नहीं predeterminer, दोनों predeterminers नहीं use कर सकते. You can use Did you read both the books? क्या आपने दोनों books पढ़ी? Okay, so this you all should remember that we have to use only one predeterminer before a noun, not 2 or more. Got it? So predeterminers specify quantity in a noun. Okay, they just specify the quantity. Okay, which may include multiply quantity, fractions, and all and both. Okay, now let's come to central determiners. So just see, आपको नेम से ही पता चल रहा है central determiners. Central means they'll come in the mid. That means they will come after predeterminers and before postdeterminers. Predeterminers के तो बाद में आएंगे और postdeterminers से पहले आएंगे, mid में आएंगे दोनों के. Just see, central determiners occur after predeterminers and before postdeterminers. That's what I said, right? Predeterminers से तो बाद में, but postdeterminers से पहले. Right? The most commonly used central determiners are articles. Okay, सबसे most commonly जो use central determiners होते हैं वो कौन से होते हैं? Articles. And in articles you all know 3 articles are there: a, an and the. Okay, so these are the most commonly used. Okay, which else are there? Let's see. और क्या क्या कौन कौन से central determiners होते हैं? Let us see. But before that, let's just take an example of articles. Okay, articles used as central determiners. Just see this example carefully, students. There is half a glass of milk in the fridge. Now, you all should know, and I have already told you that सबसे पहले predeterminer आएंगे and then central determiner will come, right? Okay, so just see in the sentence whether predeterminer is there or not. Yes, it is there. There is half. I have told you fractions are included in. Fractions कब आते हैं? Predeterminers में include होते हैं fractions. अभी पढ़ा है हमने, right? So there is half. देखो सबसे पहले predeterminer आ गया, फिर आ गया a, half a glass. और glass क्या हो गया? Noun. Noun से पहले आते हैं determiner. So noun से पहले हमारे पास कौन कौन से determiners आ गए? Half भी आ गया और a भी आ गया. Half is predeterminer and a again is central determiner because it is an article. Okay, and articles हम किस में यूज़ करते हैं? सेंट्रल डिटर्मिनर्स में. अभी पढ़ा हमने फर्स्ट रूल दैट मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड सेंट्रल डिटर्मिनर्स आर आर्टिकल्स. गॉट इट एवरीवन? सो देखो, आपने सबसे पहले प्री डिटर्मिनर आया हाफ और फिर उसके बाद सेंट्रल डिटर्मिनर आया अ. ओके, जस्ट सी द नेक्स्ट रूल. द possessives are also classified as central determiners. Now you all know what do we mean by possessives, right? Which shows belongingness, ownership, right? So possessives are also classified. They also come under central determiners. Okay, like just let's take an example. I spent all my money at the fair. Again देखो students, we are having 2 determiners in this sentence. I spent all. अच्छा, which one is all? All कौन सा determiner है? Predeterminer, right? Third rule, all and both. Okay, so all is predeterminer. अब उसके बाद क्या आ गया? My. And what is my? It is showing ownership of the money. कि किसका money है? My, मेरा. Okay, so my is a possessive. Okay, so we have used all. सबसे पहले हमने all use किया. That means predeterminer. उसके बाद हमने क्या use किया? My. That is central determiner. Possessives. Okay, so I spent all my money at the fair. Okay, so have you got the order? सबसे पहले predeterminer use हुआ all, फिर उसके बाद central determiner use हुआ my. Okay, so which 2 points we have included in central determiners? First one, it includes articles. Second, it includes possessives. Okay, let's see the third point. The demonstratives are central determiners. Demonstratives भी central determiners होते हैं. And which are the demonstratives? We have already discussed in the previous video lesson. This, that, these and those are demonstratives, and they are used to demonstrate, to point out at things. Okay, let's take an example. Please put all these marbles in the jar. Okay, just see, please put all these marbles. Again we have used all, and all is a predeterminer. ठीक है, और predeterminer के बाद क्या यूज किया? These, and these is a comes under demonstratives, and demonstratives are a part of central determiners. Okay, so we have used all these, that means predeterminer and then post determiner, right? So please put all these marbles in the jar. Okay, so demonstratives also come under central determiners. Next, central determiners include interrogatives also, right? Now interrogative determiners we use करते हैं हम central में, right? Like, which are the interrogative determiners? Which, what and whose. Okay, this also we have discussed in our previous video lesson. Okay, so we have included, so what all we have included in central? क्या क्या include कर लिया अभी तक हमने? सबसे पहले we have included articles, then we have included possessives, then we have included demonstratives, and now we are including interrogative determiners. Okay, let's take an example. Whose pencil is it? So whose is what? Whose is central determiner. Okay, अच्छा, now just see, यहाँ पे आपने predeterminer use नहीं किया. Okay, because I have already told you students, इस चीज़ में आप confuse नहीं होगे. It's not necessary कि हम तीनों determiners साथ में use करें. One single determiner can also come independently. Independently means without any other determiner. अपने आप से भी एक सिंगल डिटर्मिनर भी यूज़ हो सकता है बिफोर नाउन. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि तीनों या दोनों साथ में यूज़ होंगे. गॉट इट? ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ कौन सा यूज़ किया है? सेंट्रल डिटर्मिनर, हुज पेंसिल. ओके, नाउ सो जस्ट सी द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. Other central determiners include no, each, every, either, neither, some, any and enough. These are also some other central determiners. These you all should remember. You just keep them in mind. Okay, like just see an example. No country in the world has 3 capitals. So no country, countries are noun. Before that you have used no. Again here central determiner is used alone. Pre भी नहीं है, post भी नहीं है, right? This bulb doesn't give enough light. Okay, now this bulb doesn't give enough light, so we have used enough here before light. Okay, so enough is also a central determiner. Got it everyone? So what all will come under central determiners? First of all articles, then will come possessives, then demonstratives, then interrogatives, and then some other words like no, each, every, either, neither, some, any and enough. Okay, just keep the main points in your mind. Okay, you'll never get confused in these things, right? Okay, and one more important point, that all of the 3 may appear together or may not appear together. ठीक है, and single can also appear together. Single determiner, whether pre, whether post, whether central, single determiner भी आ सकता है. But ये जब भी आएंगे, whenever they will come, they'll come in which order? First of all pre, then central and then post, right? जैसे आपको नेम से ही पता चल रहा है. First of all pre will come, then central will come and then post will come. Okay, now let's talk about post determiners. Now let us see what all comes under post determiners. First of all, you all should know that in the series जो आपका order है, in that it will come at the end. First of all pre determiner will come, then central and then post. Okay, now let's see the first point. What all comes under post determiners? Cardinal and ordinal numbers are post determiners. Very important. Cardinal and ordinal. I have already told you students in the previous video lesson that which are the cardinal numbers. Cardinals are the ones, which one? They are the ones that tell us quantity, right? Numbers like 1 2 3 4, ये cardinal numbers होते हैं. And ordinal numbers कौन से होते हैं? Which tell us the order or sequence or rank, like first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so whenever we see any cardinal or ordinal number, it means that it is used as a post determiner, right? Examples are, when we left the 2 children home, it was quite late. So when we left the two children, 2 here is cardinal number. Okay, this is their 4th year in Gopalpur. Now 4th means which one again? Ordinal. So cardinal ordinal numbers come of where? They are used as post determiners. Okay, now just see, in this you all should know, just see, have you noticed that in the first example when we left the two children, the is article, so article comes under सेंट्रल डिटर्मिनर. सो सेंट्रल के बाद क्या आ गया? पोस्ट डिटर्मिनर 2. ठीक है, सो हमारी सीरीज बिल्कुल सही है. पहले प्री आता है तो प्री यहाँ पे यूज़ नहीं हुआ, बट सेंट्रल और पोस्ट यूज़ हुए हैं. बट इसमें ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि पोस्ट पहले यूज़ हुआ है सेंट्रल बाद में. नो, पहले सेंट्रल यूज़ हुआ है द, जो कि एक आर्टिकल है, एंड देन कौन सा यूज़ हुआ है? 2, पोस्ट. सेम वे इन द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, देयर पॉजेसिव यूज़ हुआ है पहले, और फिर 4th, दैट मीन्स पोस्ट डिटर्मिनर यूज़ हुआ है. ओके, सो हमारी सीरीज बिल्कुल ध्यान रखनी है आपको. ओके, नाउ जस्ट सी द सेकेंड वन. फर्स्ट क्या हो गया? दे इंक्लूड कार्डिनल एंड ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स. नेक्स्ट जस्ट सी, जर्नल ऑर्डिनल्स लाइक लास्ट, नेक्स्ट, अदर, अनदर आर ऑल्सो पोस्ट डिटर्मिनर्स. सम जनरल ऑर्डिनल्स जो कि कौन कौन से होते हैं? लास्ट, नेक्स्ट, अदर, अनदर. दे आर ऑल्सो विच डिटर्मिनर्स? पोस्ट डिटर्मिनर्स. लाइक, do you remember our last meeting? Okay, do you remember our last meeting? So last is what again? It is general ordinal, and general ordinals come under post determiner. Okay, इसमें भी देखो आपने सबसे पहले क्या यूज़ किया है? Do you remember are? And what is are? It is a possessive. Okay, so possessive means central determiner. So सबसे पहले central determiner यूज़ हो गया, and then उसके बाद क्या यूज़ हो गया? Last. That means ordinal. दैट मीन्स पोस्ट डिटर्मिनर. राइट, तो यहाँ पे भी हमारा सीक्वेंस बिल्कुल ठीक है. ओके, जस्ट सी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. व्हेन यूज्ड टुगेदर ऑर्डिनल्स ऑलवेज कम बिफोर कार्डिनल्स. अच्छा, ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है स्टूडेंट्स, यू ऑल शुड नो. ये आपको याद रखना है कि जब भी कार्डिनल्स और ऑर्डिनल्स, दैट मीन्स जब भी आपके नंबर्स लाइक 1 2 3 या फिर पोजिशन सीक्वेंस लाइक फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ यूज होंगे, एट दैट टाइम ऑर्डिनल्स विल ऑलवेज कम बिफोर कार्डिनल्स. दैट मीन्स जो ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स हैं फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ, दे विल ऑलवेज कम बिफोर कार्डिनल नंबर्स. लाइक द लास्ट 6 runs, लास्ट इज वॉट? ऑर्डिनल. ठीक है, इन द पोजिशन लास्ट इज ऑर्डिनल. सो लास्ट 6 runs, और 6 क्या है? कार्डिनल. तो पहले क्या यूज़ हुआ है? ऑर्डिनल. सो वेन एवर यू विल यूज़ कार्डिनल ऑन ऑर्डिनल, जब भी कार्डिनल और ऑर्डिनल नंबर साथ में आएंगे, सो which one will come first? First of all ordinal will come and then cardinal will come. Okay, ये ध्यान रखना है आपको. Just see, quantifiers like many, few, several, much, little, etc. are also post determiners. Quantifiers जो होते हैं they are also included in post determiners, जो quantity बताते हैं. I hope my little contribution will help. Little quantity बता रहा है, थोड़ा contribution. Okay, so it will be included in post determiners. Okay, now just see, one more important point is there students. Remember, if an adjective is used to describe a noun, it comes after all the determiners. ये ध्यान रखना है आपको. किसी भी sentence में अगर कोई adjective use हुआ है किसी noun को describe करने के लिए, you all know adjectives are used to describe noun. Okay, adjectives का क्या work होता है? To just to tell us about nouns. राइट, सो अगर कभी भी एडजेक्टिव यूज़ हुआ है, दैट एडजेक्टिव विल कम वेयर? इट विल कम आफ्टर ऑल द डिटर्मिनर्स. जितने भी डिटर्मिनर्स होंगे ना सेंटेंस में, उनके बाद आएगा एडजेक्टिव किसी भी सेंटेंस में. ओके, दिस यू ऑल शुड नो. नाउ लेट्स क्विकली रिवाइज व्हाट ऑल इज इंक्लूडेड इन पोस्ट डिटर्मिनर्स. जस्ट सी द फर्स्ट वन. जस्ट सी, पोस्ट में सबसे पहले इंक्लूड क्या होगा? इट में इंक्लूड कार्डिनल नंबर और ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स इंक्लूड होंगे. नेक्स्ट, जनरल ऑर्डिनल्स लाइक लास्ट, नेक्स्ट, अदर, अनदर, ये भी इंक्लूड होंगे. नेक्स्ट, वेन एवर कार्डिनल एंड ऑर्डिनल विल बी यूज टुगेदर, जब भी कार्डिनल या ऑर्डिनल साथ में यूज होंगे, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट विल हैपन? कार्डिनल्स विल बी यूज्ड, राइट, दे विल बी यूज्ड आफ्टर ऑर्डिनल्स. दैट मीन्स पहले ऑर्डिनल्स यूज होंगे और फिर कार्डिनल्स यूज होंगे. राइट, quantifiers are also included in post determiners. Quantifiers भी include होते हैं. And what are quantifiers? I've told you, these are what? Determiners of quantity, you can say, जो quantity बताते हैं. Right, और एक चीज़ और आपको remember रखना है, याद रखना है, that अगर किसी सेंटेंस में कभी भी कोई एडजेक्टिव यूज़ होगा टू डिस्क्राइब अ नाउन, तो वो हमेशा सारे डिटर्मिनर्स के बाद यूज़ होगा. इट विल बी यूज्ड आफ्टर all the determiners. Okay, so these were our three determiners on the basis of their order. Okay, these were the three determiners which were divided on the basis of their order in which they will appear in a noun phrase. Okay, so pre will come first, then central, and then post. Right, I'll just quickly go through all the points, important points you all need to remember about these three determiners. So आपको बिल्कुल भी कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. सबसे पहली चीज़, प्री विल कम फर्स्ट, सेंट्रल मिड में आएगा, पोस्ट एंड में आएगा. ये तो आपको वर्ड से ही पता चल रहा है. राइट, ओके. वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ऑल द थ्री डिटर्मिनर्स आपके सेंटेंस में आएंगे. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि तीनों डिटर्मिनर्स आपके सेंटेंस में आएंगे. नो, वन भी आ सकता है, टू भी आ सकता है और तीनों भी आ सकते हैं. राइट, ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. बट हमेशा उनका जिस भी सीक्वेंस में आने हैं वो सीक्वेंस कौन सा रहेगा? दैट सीक्वेंस वुड बी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्री, देन सेंट्रल, देन पोस्ट. इस सीक्वेंस में आएंगे. राइट, अगर प्री डिटर्मिनर नहीं आ रहा है तो पहले कौन सा आएगा? सेंट्रल, और फिर बाद में आएगा पोस्ट. ओके, एंड इन केस पोस्ट डिटर्मिनर नहीं आ रहा है तो पहले आएगा प्री एंड देन सेंट्रल आएगा. राइट, और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि सिर्फ प्री आ जाए, या फिर सिर्फ सेंट्रल आ जाए, या फिर सिर्फ पोस्ट आ जाए. ओके, ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि तीनों साथ में आएंगे, बट जब भी आएंगे दे विल कम इन दिस ऑर्डर ओनली, प्री, सेंट्रल एंड पोस्ट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, आप दो डिटर्मिनर्स एक साथ लाइक प्री डिटर्मिनर्स हैं तो यू कैनॉट यूज़ टू प्री डिटर्मिनर्स टुगेदर बिफोर अ नाउन. ठीक है, आप टू प्री डिटर्मिनर्स या टू पोस्ट या टू सेंट्रल डिटर्मिनर्स को साथ में यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. यू कैन यूज़ ओनली वन. ओके, अदरवाइज इट विल नॉट गिव यू प्रॉपर मीनिंग. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज कि इफ एन एडजेक्टिव इज कम्स इन अ सेंटेंस, इट विल कम आफ्टर ऑल द डिटर्मिनर्स. जितने भी आपके डिटर्मिनर्स हैं उनके जस्ट एंड में ही आपको एडजेक्टिव यूज़ करना है. इट विल कम एट द एंड ओनली. These rules will help you out in solving your exercises. So you all should remember all these points, right? Okay.
So students, I hope you all have understood the topic. You have seen the video carefully. Okay, so again, let's just quickly revise what all we have seen in this video lesson. Let's start. First of all, we have seen the main topic was the order in which the determiners would be placed in a phrase. Right, in a noun phrase में कहाँ पे क्या order होता है उनका. Okay, so first of all we have seen the sequence in the video. Okay, what would be the sequence? Predeterminers first, then central determiners, and then post determiners. Right, this would be the sequence. So अभी भी किसी phrase में, right, किसी भी phrase में determiners आएंगे. So what would be their sequence? So first of all the pre will come, then central, and then post. Got it, everyone? Okay, and one more thing, it's not necessary that all three of them will come. It's not necessary कि तीनों आएंगे. Okay, two of them can also come, three can also come, and only one can also come. Okay, but whenever they'll come in this order. Okay, in this sequence, pre, central, post. Right? Okay, now what are pre? Pre are the ones which tell us about multiplied quantities. Okay, they tell us about multiplied times, twice, thrice. Next, fractions. Okay, they tell us about fractions. Okay, and the next one is some of the words like all and both. Okay, these come under which category? Predeterminers. Got it? Now let's talk about central determiners, the ones which will be placed after pre but before where? Post. Okay, now what all will be included in central? In central we'll include articles, then we'll include demonstratives, we'll include possessives, right? Interrogatives we'll include, and some determiners like no, each, like distributives. You can say no, each, every, either, neither, some, any, enough. Okay, so in central we'll include what all? Articles, possessives, demonstratives, interrogatives, and some of the others like no, each, every, either, neither, some, any, enough. Right, these all will be included in our central determiners or the mid determiner. Right, next one is post determiners. Okay, in this we'll include cardinal ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers होंगे, ordinal numbers होंगे, general ordinals like last. Okay, next another. Okay, and some quantifiers. Okay, that means the determiners of quantity. Right, okay, so these will be included in your post determiners. Right, so these were the main contents of our today's video. Right, pre, central, and post. That would be their sequence. These all things will be included in these determiners. Okay, some important points are that it's not necessary that all three of them will come, only one can also come, but the sequence would be this. Okay, two can also come and three can also come. Next important thing, two predeterminers, two central determiners or two post determiners cannot come together. ओके साथ में नहीं आ सकते नाउन से पहले, ओनली वन विल कम. ओके नेक्स्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, व्हेन एन एडजेक्टिव, कोई भी एडजेक्टिव आता है, इट विल कम आफ्टर ऑल दीज डिटर्मिनर्स. राइट, किसी भी सेंटेंस में अगर आपको एडजेक्टिव मिलता है, इट विल कम आफ्टर ऑल दीज डिटर्मिनर्स. Got it everyone? Okay, so these were the main contents. I hope you all have understood. Right, if any query you can ask me anytime on my personal window. Okay, so I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, just remember to try the last exercise of this chapter, which is related to our today's video lesson. Right, okay, so we'll discuss the answers in our next video, in our next part. Okay, till then, just practice well, practice determiners. Still, if you have any query, you can contact me anytime, students. I hope you all have understood the topic. I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, just take care, students, and do practice grammar. Thank you.